Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Cyrano. In today's video, we're going to be doing an update for the Samsung Galaxy A13. Stay locked in with me. Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be doing a quick update video for the Samsung Galaxy A13. Now, I did get an update on this device. It's actually the June 1st update, which was going to be available now. I recently I've been really liking this device because it has some pretty decent speeds to it for the price, and it's also got a lot of cool features with it as well. But it's going to actually get more features now with this new update that I want to kind of share with you, because it's gonna be some features that I just want to run through. So make sure you guys stay locked in. But if you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through. If you're new, but if you're already a part of the crew, salute. Alright, so check this out. We do got an update for the Samsung Galaxy A13, and this is going to be a big improvement for when it comes to performance. So people who are having trouble with performance issues, this update pretty much addresses that. We're going to jump into what this device can do when it comes to this update. So make sure you guys stay locked into the end of the video. If you're brand new to the channel, I encourage you to subscribe and get notified for more videos just like this. But for the Samsung Galaxy A13, we got this June 1st update, as you can see right here down below. And it's going to say that this is a security of your device. The security of your device has been improved, and the software can include, but not limited to, device stability, as well as bug fixes and new or enhanced features, which I'm going to get into. So make sure you stay locked in with me to further improve the performance, to get the best of your device. Keep your device up to date regularly and check for software updates. And the temperature of this device may increase during the software update or upgrade because of the data download and associated behaviors. Okay, so let's go ahead and hit download, and I'm going to walk you through how you would get this update. Okay, so basically what you want to do is go into the settings option all the way down on the bottom in your app tray, right? And then basically you go all the way down to the bottom where it says software update, and you go ahead, you hit that, right? So I know a lot of people know how to get the update, but if you haven't already known, just go ahead and hit download and install, and it's gonna have the N with the orange color next to it, and then it's gonna start downloading the update. Okay, so right now it's actually downloading pretty quick, and it's basically gonna prompt you to reset your device after that's finished. But I want to show you some of the new features, okay? Because this update is gonna improve your device dramatically, right? So you can see right here, these are some of the features that we get in the notification panel. But then you're gonna see all the other features: scan QR code, kids mode, microphone access, do not disturb, eye comfort, Dolby Atmos, NFC, nearby share, quick share, location, power savings, hotspot, data, battery saver, not battery saver, mobile data, auto rotate, Bluetooth, vibrate, and Wi-Fi and airplane mode with the flashlight emblem too. So it's basically asking me to install the update. So I'm going to go ahead, pause the video. I'm going to hit install now, and then get right back with you. And I'm going to talk about the new enhanced feature with this device, okay? But if you're still here, just comment down below and type I'm still here. That way I know you're still kicking it with me and still rocking with me, all right? And stay locked in. So one of the features that I wanted to highlight that this device did get when it got Android 12 is inside of device care. So basically what you want to do is go to battery and device care and go to memory. And one thing you're going to notice is that once you're inside of memory, it's going to give you the option to have RAM Plus on here. So you're going to notice right here, if you click RAM Plus, it says that the RAM Plus uses your phone storage space to provide virtual memory. Choose virtual memory to allow more apps to stay open in the background. So the reason why this device is performing a little bit quicker is because of that RAM Plus. It's going to be able to fly through inside of, like, you know, virtual memory. Because of that, it's going to add an additional memory to your device. And then another feature that's actually pretty cool is if you go to apps and I don't have a SD, well actually I do have a SD card inside of this device, but if you click right here where it says, you know, the app, like a game or something like that, you can go inside of the option where it says storage, and it will let you change that to your SD card. So I think that's something that's pretty cool as well. But overall, the device does feel pretty smooth. It has device protection, so it'll let you know when your device gets threats inside of here, which is something that's pretty cool. You could also clean now and just clean up additional memory in your device to clear up the memory, make it a lot quicker. So you can see right there that does actually help out with this device. Okay, so the update is finally complete right now for the Samsung Galaxy A13. So I wanted to go over some of the features that are brand new with this device, and there's one feature in particular that I've been waiting to come to this device because it improves a lot of the performance issues that people were talking about in the comment section of some of my A13 videos. So I just kind of wanted to show you this feature because it was available for my A23, and it actually changed the performance dramatically. It helps increase the speed of apps and things of that such. So basically I'm just waiting for this thing to load back. You can see right now it's finishing the software update right here with the bar going across it. So I'm just waiting for that to complete so that the speeds can be up to par when I'm showing you guys this. But you can see right here, if you click right here, you see it's update, and I'm gonna go into settings real quick so you can see that it's at June right now, and you can see everything pretty much looks the same right now. Nothing's really changed. So I'm gonna go into about phone, and then I'm gonna go into the software information right now, and you can see it's running on the 4.1 One UI core version with the Android 12. With the going down below, it's gonna say June 1st now. So that's the security so that's the security that it's actually at right now at this point. But let me just show you some other features on here. And like I said, this is gonna improve overall stability, and I can feel like the phone definitely has a nice smooth feel to it. When I'm scrolling through, you know, just the interface or whatever, it does seem like it's pretty smooth now. So you can see right here, let's try out some different apps when we open them. Let's try Meta. Scrolling speed seemed to be pretty decent on here, so it scrolls pretty quickly when you're going through social media and stuff like that. Let me see. Let's watch a video real quick. Okay, something light. You can see, you know what I'm saying? It looks like it's not going to get the enhanced processing feature, which was what I was trying to I was looking forward to that, you feel me? But it doesn't have that on here. So you know, this is the least expensive budget phone from Samsung, so you wouldn't expect it to get all the features, but you got the equalizer on here, the custom EQ, which you can toggle around and mess around with the overall audio quality like that, and you could kind of just tailor the sound to your personal preference. Overall speeds do feel generally improved. Let's go to device care and see if there's anything new. This does say it does need a scan needed, so we do get the device protection on here. This is where you go to pretty much speed up your device and actually check for things that are out of whack. And so I'm just waiting for that to actually load up or whatever, but it should definitely protect your device from harm, from outside threats and things like that. So this is a cool feature for that. We're gonna do a lot more videos with this device, but I just kind of wanted to let you guys know that the June 1st security software update was available. I'm still kind of boggled that they didn't put the enhanced processing on here for apps to load up quicker or whatever. But it says right here that the device is scanning for threats and things like that. So this is important if you do this every so often so that you can keep your device well protected and things like that, right? So I just want to mention that, right? See, all my notifications are starting to come in right now. this thing will have float-in apps. So if you go right here and you swipe up, you can literally long hold right here and get the pop-up window, or you could long hold right here and drag the pop-up window, make it full screen, or make it a single little window in the middle. And you can obviously make that bigger. You could shrink it, you can expand it, or you could make it transparent so you could see other things going on with the device. So there's some of the other features I was trying to mention right there. So that's one of my favorite features with the Samsung devices, is that floating window. But they don't have the side scroll option where you can actually, this, like, I think it's called like the side, you know what I'm saying? Where it lets you scroll across and like get more shortcuts on the side of the screen. So they didn't put that on here for some reason. I'm not sure why they didn't do that, but you know what I'm saying? The device does feel cleaner. You can increase the touch sensitivity when you put screen protectors on your device. It does have that nav bar feature for, you know, button swipe gestures and stuff like that. And let's look through some of the other features that this thing is offering. So if you go to home screen, you're gonna see that you get, you know, home screen layouts and things like that. So the device is pretty much straightforward. You can actually swipe down to get to your notification panel, which is very helpful. Inside of lock screen, they have some pretty decent features in here, like lock screen widgets. So you can actually get the well-being widget now on your device too. Let's turn that on just to have that there. Clock styles, so you can change the clocks on your lock screen as well. And let's check out that Google widget that I had downloaded earlier. I want to see if it's available yet. So you can see right here we have clock, and now if you long hold here, you can drag a live clock on your home screen. So I like these better than the Samsung clocks because it just looks really cool. You could change your style that you want. I'm gonna use this analog one, and you could obviously change the size. I like how they let you make it real small or whatever. So I definitely recommend that clock widget because it's really cool. But other than that, that's pretty much everything I wanted to show you. I thought they were gonna put the enhanced processing feature on here, but they didn't add it to the A13, which kind of sucks, but it's whatever. But the device does feel quicker, so whatever they did in this update, it definitely speeds up the app opening. Even though that feature is not literally on here, you could tell the difference between the speeds because there's less lag and things of that such. So I like the fact that they did kind of address some of the performance issues on here, but we're up to date with the latest software as well. So I'm pretty happy about that part about it. So, you know, I don't have anything to complain about when it comes to that part. I know that this device does have call recording as well. You could actually hit phone and speed dial numbers. You could add your speed dial numbers here. When you go into the phone, you just click the three dots and you can add the speed dial numbers right there from the contacts. So I thought that was pretty cool. But other than that, everything just seems pretty straightforward. You can clean pages, sort pages, and then right here you can change the grid layout and stuff like that. But that's pretty much everything that I wanted to talk about for the Samsung Galaxy A13. Just wanted to get you guys up to date with the latest software on here so you guys can download it and check it out for yourselves. But you know, that the feature that I was looking forward to having was called the enhanced processing feature, which is on my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 as well as my Samsung Galaxy A23. But because this one is the budget phone, I guess they skipped out on that. But you can definitely feel the difference if you download this update, so I would highly recommend it. But hopefully you guys did find this video helpful in any way possible. If you did find it possible, hit the like button, and if you're still here, just type "I'm still here" in the comment section so I know you're still kicking it with me. But I'm gonna get right back with you. But in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending on where you are, have a great night. Later, crew. Peace.